Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So today when I wake up, I'm having a stuffy nose. So I will show you what kind of machine or equipment that I'm using to get rid of my stuffy nose. But before we proceed, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Let's go, guys. So guys, this is what I was talking about. This is what I use if I'm having a stuffy nose. This is the Navage Nasal Care. So this is for the saline nasal irrigation. So this is the machine, and then I got this from Amazon. And when you purchase this one, they will give you like this one, the nasal pad. So you use this one. This is the nasal pad for this one. I will show you guys how to use it in a bit. Okay, so guys, I will show you how to put the machine together. So let's open it. So when you open, there's an instruction how to put it together. So very easy to follow. And inside, I mean, if it's new, it's not gonna be like this, of course, but I'm been using this one for quite some time, so it looks like this. Okay, let's put away the box. So you have this one, and then this one. Okay, so it's like this. So this is the bottom part. So you do like this, and then you will see there's a right here. Can you see it? Hopefully you guys can see it. This is the lock, how to lock it. So you do like this. See? You twist it, and then you will hear the click. So it's locked. And then this one where you put the water, and then and also they have this one, how to lock. So, and then you will hear the click. And then you put this one here. This one, the one it goes to your nose. And before you put the saline pod, this one, so you put the water in here, put the water here, and then fill out the water until to this line. Hopefully you guys can see it right there, fill line. So up to here, only here. So you put the water here, and then you put the pods. I will show you how to put the pods here, and then lock, and then this one. So when you start using it, so all your what do you call this, all your everything that comes from your nose or your nasal, it goes in here. All right, are you guys ready? So I can show it to you. So this one is battery operated. When you receive it, it's already have the battery. Because the battery, and you can replace it right here, right there. It's right there. So you unscrew it and change the battery. All right, okay, I will use it now. I'm gonna show it to you. Easy, right? Hold on. Here you go. Ta-da! So guys, so I will show you how to use this one. So make sure everything is locked, especially this part, because we're gonna put water. And here you go. So you can put warm water, so it's not gonna be hot or cold in your nasal. So okay. Here we go. So up to the fill line. Hopefully you guys can see it. Okay, and then I have the nasal pod. So this is the nasal pod. Okay, it's like this, and then you put it right there. Okay, and then you close it. So make sure there's water. Okay, and then you do like that. Okay, and then yeah. See. Okay, so it's closed. That's why it says don't forget the salt pad. Yeah, that's why. Don't forget the salt pad before you close it. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, so here there's an, where is it? Hold on. There's an arrow. Yeah, you will see. Yeah, you will see the arrow if it's this nose, or you can flip it. You can flip it like that if it's the other nasal or your nose. Okay. All right, I'm ready, guys. Now I'm ready to demonstrate how to use it, but make sure you have paper towel or tissue, so at least when it's spilled, you just wipe it like this. Okay, ready? Okay, so it goes like this. So I'm gonna use this, the right nasal. Okay, ready? So you do like this, and then you press this button. Okay, and then make sure. Okay, ready? So guys, this is, I know it's kind of like yucky and nasty, so yeah, so you see there's something in here floating. So now I'm gonna turn it. I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, all right. Ready? Other side. So guys, I am done for both nasal. So as you can see, yeah, there's floating around here. So everything, the dirt, yeah, goes in here. Very easy to use, huh? So now guys, let's clean it because I'm done. So right here, just unlock it and then throw it. And this one, just detach it like that. And then this one. Like that, you can throw that away. And this. So you can use any soap to clean it. And I have this to clean like that. Yeah, I usually put soap and then just clean it like that. So to remove any mucus or dirt like that. Alright guys, I think that's it for my vlog. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.